This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your EA account because that central profile controls your Apex Legends link. Once signed in, make sure your email is verified and you know your password. This avoids interruptions. Next, decide which platform you want to attach: PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, or Switch, and have that platform account credentials handy. Now open a browser on your PC or use the console web view and navigate to account settings. This gets you straight to the connections area where linking starts. You should now be in Connections. Click the platform tile you chose and select Connect. The website will redirect you to the platform's login page. Enter credentials and complete any two-step verification if prompted. Make sure to read the permissions. You're authorizing EA to access basic profile and game data, which enables cross-progression and inventory. Once you authorize, the browser returns to EA and shows a confirmation. If linking secondary accounts, repeat the same steps for each platform. Once you finish authorization, check connected accounts in EA settings to confirm the platform appears. That status is your primary indicator that linking succeeded. Next, launch Apex Legends on the linked platform to verify progression, cosmetics, and friends synced correctly. Some items require a game restart. If something is missing, first unlink and relink the platform, then clear caches or restart the console/PC. If problems persist, contact EA support with your EA ID and platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.